Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I have a lot of people that are asking me for the link to download this wallpaper. So this is a wallpaper that integrates the kind of modern look of the wallpaper for Windows 11 mixed in with the Windows XP Bliss wallpaper. So this is coming from a Reddit posts. So I'm going to share the link where it is available. And this is from Reddit here. So Feeling Nostalgia, Windows 11 Bliss wallpaper. You can actually immediately from the start just right click and, download the image if you want, save image, and then open it and use it as a wallpaper. There's also links for ultra high resolution down the page in PNG format. So you can check that out. So they are the Bliss wallpaper for Windows 11. So I know a lot of you are finding that wallpaper pretty cool. So I'll share the link to this Reddit post where you can go and check it out and have it on your own computer. In my case, just to let you know, I don't know why, but the PNG files, which are 4K, on applying it was keeping me in a dark background. So if that happens to you, the way I fixed it is simply opened the file in Paint. And in Paint, I actually resaved the file in a JPEG format instead of a PNG. And once I applied it again, then it worked fine. So this is a little trick for those that might not see it, that see that the background suddenly is black. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the 4K size of the picture. Something is just not right. So just use Paint. You can resize it. You can just save it as a JPEG, and it should work just like it does here. So the link is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.